Time for the big reveal. Welcome to our new home. We traded in our Super C for this American Coach Class A motorhome. Come take a tour of our new house on wheels. We love the cockpit of this RV and all the updated tech. It's super smooth and very quiet to drive. One of the main reasons we made the switch is for more space. This RV has 2 couches, one that converts into a queen-size bed, and over here we have a large power recliner sofa which has a button to lift the TV. Moving into the dining and kitchen area, there's a booth that we'll be using as our office space for now with tons of storage. The kitchen was one of my favorite parts. It has a 2-burner induction cooktop, and one of the best features is this dishwasher, which we're super excited to have. It has a huge stainless farmhouse-style sink with tons of storage under it, and there's even a peninsula that pulls out with more countertop space. There's a residential-sized refrigerator, and we loved that all the appliances were black stainless steel. We have a pantry with drawers that pull out for easy access, and it also has a stackable washer and dryer. This is the main hub for the RV where we can control everything, and we even have heated floors that we can turn on from here. Then there's a half bathroom with nice fixtures. Moving into the main bedroom, which feels huge to us, there's a ton of storage space for clothes, and behind the TV we have even more hidden storage. We also have a large king-size bed, which is super comfy. Then in the bathroom, there's a closet space for hanging clothes and plenty of storage around the vanity for bathroom items. And another one of our favorite parts is the large shower. This thing is super nice. I really liked this part of it. And of course, there's even more storage. We love our new home. What do you think? Follow for part 2 to see a tour of the exterior.